Picture this: a Nigeria where your money moves in seconds, loans approved in minutes, and cash, it's practically ancient history. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now. But who's behind this revolution? Who's changing the game for millions of Nigerians? Stay with us, because today we're counting down the top 10 fintech giants reshaping Nigeria's financial future in 2025. Welcome to Pillar Behind the Brand series, where we don't just tell stories, we uncover the disruptors, the risk takers, and the masterminds rewriting the rules of the game. This is where bold ideas meet unstoppable ambition, turning visions into industries and challengers into legends. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, because every episode pulls you deeper into the minds that dared to change the world. Nigeria's fintech scene is on fire. Over $500 million in funding just last year alone. And for the millions of Nigerians who've never had access to traditional banking, this digital revolution, it's a game changer. These companies aren't just growing, they're rewriting the rules, giving everyday people more control, more access, and more opportunity. So, who's on this list? Which brands are leading this financial evolution? Let's dive in and find out. Let the countdown begin. Starting strong at number 10, PiggyVest. It's more than just a savings app. With over 3 million users and $100 million in transactions, they're helping Nigerians build wealth one piggy bank at a time. But let's be real. Sometimes you need cash, and you need it fast. Who's got you covered? The next company up is all about instant access to cash. At number 9, we've got Carbon, the fintech that's revolutionizing loans in Nigeria. No paperwork, no long queues, just tap, borrow, and get funded in minutes. With over $240 million processed, Carbon is proof that in 2025, speed is everything. But what if you could do all that and still pay zero fees? The next company on this list, they did the impossible. At number 8, we've got Kuda Bank, the zero-fee rebel shaking up the system. Free transfers, free debit cards, over 1.4 million users. While traditional banks are charging for everything, Kuda's out here saying, keep your money. But what if you needed more than just banking? The next fintech, it's not just an app, it's a whole lifestyle. Coming in at number 7, it's Opay. Whether you're sending money, receiving payments, or running your business with a POS terminal, Opay makes it fast, easy, and reliable. With millions of users and a massive agent network, they're not just building a fintech app, they're building a financial movement. But what if I told you the next one isn't about everyday spending? It's powering Nigeria's biggest financial transactions. Number 6, Remita. If you've ever paid anything official in Nigeria, chances are Remita made it happen. From government agencies to big businesses, they're trusted to move serious money every single day. And now, we enter the top 5. The companies that didn't just make waves, they're redefining the entire game. Kicking off the top 5, it's Paystack. From local barbershops to booming e-commerce stores, over 60,000 businesses trust Paystack to handle payments. Backed by Stripe, they helped shape Nigeria's online payment ecosystem and built the rails that power digital business across the country. But what if someone raised millions to go head-to-head with Paystack? Yep, this next fintech is on a mission. Number 4, Flutterwave, the unicorn in the room. With operations in over 30 countries and global partners like Uber and Microsoft, Flutterwave is building Africa's payment superhighway. Fast, reliable, and borderless. But while Flutterwave's going global, the next fintech is making local spending smarter and even more rewarding. At number 3, it's PalmPay. From cashback to bonuses, every transaction feels like a win. With over 25 million users and rising, they turned banking into something that actually feels fun. But if you think that's impressive, wait till you meet the fintech that changed how Nigeria handles remittances forever. Number 2, Paga. For over a decade, they've brought financial access to places banks wouldn't reach. With over 21 million users and agents in the most rural areas of Nigeria, Paga turned mobile money into a movement. We've seen the giants, but who wears the crown? Who's sitting at the top of Nigeria's fintech throne in 2025? Number 1, Moniepoint. From market stalls to mega businesses, Moniepoint powers over 1.6 billion transactions every year. With a vast POS network and SME-friendly services, they're not just leading, they're running the entire show. This isn't just a fintech company. It's a movement. One that's redefining how money works in Nigeria. Nigeria's fintech revolution? It's just getting started. As innovation meets everyday life, these companies are giving millions of people more power, more freedom, and more opportunity. So, which of these fintech giants is your favorite? Did we miss one that deserves a spot? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if this episode got you thinking, hit that like button. It fuels us to keep bringing you stories that matter. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Pillar Behind the Brand series. The next big story is just around the corner. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. This has been Pillar Behind the Brand series. Thanks for watching.